and set it to your ideal. Hi guys, how are you? I read some of the comments in the YouTube about how to resize green screen using iMovie application. I'll try to teach you how to using green screen using iMovie application. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to open iMovie application and then go to import. Select your preferred video or pictures you want to edit. Select background and then click plain green background. Drag it here and then click my media. Click picture green screen background and then drag it to the top of plain green background. Click cropping and then choose fit. After that, click video overlay settings. Hit picture in picture. Now you can resize your green screen picture or video as well. Place it to the upper part corner and save it. To be easy to find, I save it to my desktop. And now you're almost done to save it. Go to import and find your video or pictures. Select import selected. Now choose your pictures or videos and drag it again. Go to cropping and choose fit. Now drag this edited green screen to the top. And then click overlay settings, choose green screen. If you notice there's a shadow around the moon that will not disappear. So we're gonna do is click this eraser and hit this shadow. If you want to change color, click color correction and set it to your ideal picture. Now if you are happy with that, you can now save it to your desktop.